Here we are at 8017, one of the most amazing rooms aboard, and it's available to rent. Check this out, there's even a doorbell. Let's go in and check it out. 8017. Now this was 2 rooms, and now it's been converted into one large space. Nice little seating table area. There's some Pullmans there to pull down. We have a closet right here and another closet there. We filmed this room a while back and now it is available to rent. Full refrigerator and freezer. You cannot beat that. Huge TV over there. Looks like you can set up and plug your own laptop in. An amazing, gorgeous seating area. We'll head over here. Let me spin around. Look at that. Another TV. We have 2 doors out to the balcony because remember this was 2 rooms. Have a nice sleeping area. Lovely wallpaper. Let's go check the balcony next. We are sailing off the shores of Alaska today. It's a beautiful sea day. Check out this amazing balcony. It is enormous. You could have a big party out here. Woohoo! Good times. Beautiful views here off of the Alaskan coast. Let's head back in. So this room's a little different as it is with a property manager who's another resident who's assisting residents rent out their room, and she deals with all the things for the residents because some people don't want to take care of that part, so they let her do it. So if you are interested in this room, you're going to villavierentals.com. It is a website, and not only will you see this amazing room, you'll see several other rooms that are also available to rent. Gorgeous. So many closets, so much storage. Now let's go down this hallway and check out the restroom. So here we go into the restroom, and boy is it a nice one. Separate, we have double sinks, separate bathtub from the toilet. It's just amazing. I love when it's separate, when the toilet and the bath are separate. I mean, who can't beat a double sink? This is one gorgeous room. Wouldn't you like waking up to these amazing sea views? So much storage. 2 TVs, tons of space, plenty of seating, 2 TVs, Pullmans, all the things. And with one of the best balconies aboard. Let's go peek one more time. It's so gorgeous. Remember, if you're interested in this room, you will go to villavierentals.com and check out the website there for not only this room, there's tons of other rooms there that you can look into and book. Come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey.